Once you download and set up the Kennametal Add-In App in Fusion from Utilities, select Manufacturer in the drop-down on the top left in Fusion. Once on the Manufacturer page, you'll be able to see the Kennametal app icon in the toolbar. For access to Kennametal tools and to add them to your library, simply click on the K icon. A new window will pop up so you can easily search for the tools you want to import to your library. To search, you can either search by product category or search using keywords. The search box allows you to enter catalog number, SKU, or text description to quickly locate items. Additionally, you can use filters located on the left of the product listings to refine your search. When you find the tool, you can either click on the SAP material number to view more details about the item, which will direct you to the product detail page where you can review specifications of the tool, or if you know what you need, select the gear icon, Create Solution. Once you're in the solution, click on the Feeds and Speeds icon to select a material and make any required changes to the feeds and speeds. You can also see the range of feeds and speeds recommended for the tool using the selected operation and material. If no other adaptive item, collet, or sleeve is required with the tool, click on Send to Fusion. However, for collision detection, you may have to complete the assembly. To build your assembly, add an adaptive item referred to as a holder in Fusion. Only adapted items that can be used with the selected tool will be available. You can browse the hierarchy or use the filters on the left to find what you need. Click Add to Solution to add the chosen adaptive item. The 3D image will offer a preview of the current assembly. You can add additional adaptive items if required. When your assembly is ready, click Send to Fusion. By clicking Send to Fusion, you'll be able to place the tool data in your tooling library. A pop-up will confirm that the tool has been added to your library. Click the OK button and you'll be able to find your tool in Fusion. Once back in Fusion, navigate to Manage on the taskbar and select Tool Library. The added tool will be in the drop-down that reads Local. From there, you can move to your preferred location and review the tooling and cutting data. Now, you have completed tool assembly with your operations, material, and feeds and speeds to process your component.